Hello guys and welcome back to our Excel training video sessions. Today we will continue with ribbon navigation, and from here we will take a closer look at Alt Home. Let's begin. Alt Home. By pressing Alt key, you will activate all the hotkeys in the ribbon that you need to click one after another, not at the same time. So for example, if you want to move any specific menu on the ribbon, you need to press Alt key first, then you need to press the highlighted letter for each menu. Let's start with fonts. If you want to change the font type to Agency FB or another type, all you need to do is go to the Home menu, which is Alt and then pressing H button, and from here you can see that for font type we need to use shortcut double F. So if you press F button twice, it will automatically highlight the font that we're using right now. So from here, if you press down arrow, it will automatically open the drop down menu for all the themes and fonts. So from here we want to select the Agency FB font, so we just need to press down arrow twice and it will automatically highlight the Agency FB font. And from here, if you press enter, it will automatically change the font. For changing the font size, it's pretty much the same. For this, you need to go Alt and H for the Home menu, and you can see that the shortcut for font size is F and S buttons. So if you press F and then S, you will automatically highlight the font size. So from here, you just need to press down arrow again to open the drop-down menu for font sizes. And once you highlighted the font size you want, you just need to press enter and it will automatically adjust the font size. Borders. So as you can see, we have a highlighted area in here and we want to have all the borders for all the cells in this highlighted area. For this, we need to go to the Home tab by pressing Alt and H, and from here we need to open the Borders menu. As you can see, the shortcut for this is pressing B. So if you press B, it will open the drop-down menu for all different actions about the borders. So since we want the all borders around these cells, what we need to do is we need to press underlined letter for all borders, which is A. So if you press A, it will automatically have all of these cells bordered. So by using same logic and shortcut, which is Alt, H and B, you will open the borders menu, and from here you can just press the underlined letter for each single action from here and select the border type you want. Alignment. So for the alignment, let's just give an example, and if you want to have the cells aligned centered in the specific cell, you need to go to the Home menu by pressing Alt and H. And from here, if you want to have the center alignment, the shortcut for is A and C buttons. So if you press A and C, it will automatically center align the specific word. So by using same logic, you can see that we have 6 different actions about alignments. You can align it on top, middle, bottom, left, center, or right. So basically using the same logic, by pressing Alt and H, you will activate those shortcuts, and from here you can select whatever alignment you want. Column width. So if you want to auto fit a column width for a specific cell, all you need to do is go to the Home menu by Alt and H, and from here you need to open the Format window, which you need to press the O letter. So once we open, there will be a drop-down menu where you can select different options, and since we want the auto fit column width, we need to press the underlined letter for AutoFit, which is I, and if you press I, you will see that it will perfectly arrange the width of the column by the specific cell that we selected. So if you want to give a customized column width, for example, we want to give 16, well, for this you need to go to the Home menu, and from here by pressing O, you need to open the Format menu, and from here you have the column width. So if you press W, it will automatically pop up a window where you can directly enter a specific number for your column width. So since we want 16, all we need to do is just press 16 and press enter to have that customized column width. So you can use the same logic, Alt, H and O. You can also adjust the row height, and you can also select the option, the auto fit row height. How to hide and unhide. So if you want to hide a row, a specific row, All you need to do is go to the home menu by pressing Alt and H, and you will open the format menu again, and from here you can see that we have hide and unhide option. So if you want to go there, we just need to press the underlined letter for hide and unhide, which is U. And once you press U, you will see different options like hide rows, columns, hide sheet, unhide options as well. So since we want to hide the row specifically, we need to press R, which is the highlighted letter for hide rows. And once you press it, it will automatically hide the row. So as we told before, you can use the same logic to go to that menu by Alt H O and U, and you can use those different actions like hiding the column, hiding the sheet, or unhiding rows, columns, or sheets. So from here, you just need to self-study and increase your speed by just trying one at a time in the Excel. So perfect, we just finished our video. Here you can see all the shortcuts we used in this video, and if you want to increase your muscle memory, we will highly recommend you to go to our website www.hotkeexcel.com and download our game. It will make you extremely efficient and fast in Excel, and it will build up your muscle memory almost 3 or 4 times. So thank you so much everyone, and see you on the next video.